FAWDE speed up the readjustment to bring out the sustainable development according to the principle of primarily programming, implement step by step, achieve greater and more economical results. FAWDE imported the world first-class equipment of German Grabel, UK Landis, Italy Markbors to construct 3 processing lines for body, cylinder head, and camshaft. The production lab has alternating current dynamometer, gray analyzer, emission analysis meter, and other advanced engine test instruments, imported from Germany, Austria, USA, and Japan. The assembling workshop imported Sweden ABB equipment to establish new assembly line. Factory forms a core manufacturing ability characterized by flexible production, information integrating, test online, manufacturing quickly, and reach to the international advanced level. FAWDE fulfills community responsibility actively, designs green products by innovation, saves energy, protects environment. At the meanwhile, FAWDE creates the products to satisfy users and win the trust and faith by establishing quality control system. The factory has got the certificates of ISO 9001, ISO 112, ISO OTS 6949